So this question, again, it says the 3 points that are indicated on the parabola have integer coefficients. So we've got those 3 points that we can see there. Now, the next question says the sum of the x and y intercepts is, okay, well, the x-intercepts, okay, we'll go down here. I can see right away here the x-intercepts are going to be negative 1 and 7. The y-intercept in this case is a little tricky here, okay, because it's right there, sort of in between the 3 and the 4. Now, let's just take a quick look at this. From the vertex, okay, if I move over 1, 2, 3, 4 squares, or 4 spaces here, from the vertex, because I'm squaring things here, this actually should be 4 squared. That should be a distance of 16. But it's not. It's actually just 8. So what's happening here is this function here is being divided by 2. Or because I'm assuming you're using this video here as review here, what this is going to tell us here is that because this should be 16 and it's not, it's 8, I know that the a value for my parabola here is going to be a half. So now let's just rethink this. If I go over 1, 2, 3, and I square that, I should be getting 9, but half of that would be 4.5. So I'm going to come down 1, 2, 3, 4, and a half. That is going to leave me here at a y-intercept of 3.5. Now, I know that was a little more complicated than you might have been expecting there. But now what we're going to do is we're going to add these together. So the sum of the x and the y-intercepts here, well, negative 1 and 7 is going to be 6, plus 3.5 is going to give us a value of 9.5. So this question here requires us to think just a little bit about the behavior of a quadratic, a little bit about what that function would look like here. Because remember, when you've got just y equals x squared, okay, starting the vertex here, if I go 1 unit over, I square it, I go 1 unit up. 2 units over, I square it, I go 4 units up. 3 units over, I square that, I go 9 units up, and so on. And it goes up like that. And I'm just taking advantage of that little bit of knowledge that we have.